Hey kitty cats, it's Kitty Bellsworld here and welcome to another YouTube video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my slimes. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So first, I'm going to show you my dark green forest slime. It looks like way duller on camera. That's just the lining I have right now. Sorry I have a cold if I keep sniffing or I sound weird. So it's not that stretchy as I would like it to because I didn't add that much lotion and I ran out of lotion sadly, so I can't make slime, really good stretchy slime anymore. Like that. Sorry about the noise. I share a wall with my brother and he's watching YouTube. So yeah, here, and I love it. It's really nice if you just don't want to like click it or anything. You just want to play with your hands, like a nice small hand size slime. So yeah. Next, I'm going to show you guys a light purple grape slime, which looks great. It's like grayish on camera, and this slime is really clicky. I love it. Look at this. I love clicky slimes when they're like being this one's really stretchy. I have a nice way to swirl. When I swirl it, I go like this, and then I twist it around so it makes an even better swirl. And this is the last time I'm going around. So yeah, that is my slime. So now is my last but not least slime, my pumpkin slime. I know it's not orange or anything. It is a nice little purple-green color. And the slime is really good if you like poking with your fingers like this. It's kind of clicky, and it looks, again, it looks like, now it looks like light purple or dark purple, but it's actually like a nice green, like a mold color. So yeah, it's one of my big slimes. This is kind of clicky. And I like going like this because it doesn't hurt your nails when you go. So yeah, this is my purple slime. And I'm sorry if I keep saying so yeah. It's just the way I use my words. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.